Today we are going to see about cream yogurt and fermented milk. Cream yogurt. Cream yogurt is a fermented dairy product prepared by fermenting standardized milk enriched with cream using specific lactic acid bacteria. It has a high fat content, typically 6 to 10 percentage compared to regular yogurt. It gives thick, smooth, rich and creamy texture with mild acidity. Microorganism involved in cream yogurt. Streptococcus thermophilus. Gram-positive cocci thermophilic produce lactic acid rapidly, produce formate and CO2 that stimulate lactobacillus growth. Lactobacillus delbrueckii subspecies bulgaricus. Gram-positive rod produce lactic acid responsible for characteristic yogurt flavor, break down milk protein to peptide and amino acid. Production process of cream yogurt. Selection and standardization of milk. Fresh cow or buffalo milk is used. Cream is added to increase fat content 6 to 10 percentage. Milk solid not fat adjusted to approximately 9 to 12 percentage. Stabilizers may be added for improved texture. Homogenization performed at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, pressure 15 to 20 MPa. Purpose: break fat globules, prevent cream separation, improve smoothness and viscosity. Pasteurization: heat at 85 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or 90 to 95 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Purpose: destroy pathogenic microorganism, denature whey protein, improve water holding capacity, enhance thickness. Cooling: cooled to incubation temperature 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Inoculation: 2 to 3% starter culture added. Contains Streptococcus thermophilus, Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Mixed thoroughly under hygienic condition. Incubation, fermentation. Temperature 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Time 4 to 6 hours. pH decrease from 6.6 to approximately 4.5. Lactic acid formation cause casein coagulation, gel formation, thick cream texture. Cooling and storage. Rapid cooling to 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. Stop fermentation. Stored under refrigeration. Shelf life 2 to 3 weeks. Nutritional benefit: cream yogurt. Good source of protein, rich in calcium and phosphorus, improve digestion, enhance gut microbiota, easier to digest than milk. Next, fermented milk. Fermented milk is a dairy product obtained by the controlled fermentation of milk using specific microorganisms that convert lactose into lactic acid, resulting in acidification and coagulation of milk protein, mainly casein. The final product contains viable, active, and abundant microorganisms. Microorganisms involved in fermented milk: thermophilic lactic acid bacteria 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, Streptococcus thermophilus, gram-positive cocci, rapid lactose fermentation, produce lactic acid, stimulate other bacteria. Lactobacillus delbrueckii subspecies bulgaricus, gram-positive rod, produce lactic acid and acetaldehyde, responsible for yogurt flavor. Mesophilic lactic acid bacteria 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Lactococcus lactis produce lactic acid used in buttermilk and cultured milk. Leuconostoc mesenteroids produce diacetyl, produce small amount of CO2. Probiotic bacteria Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium bifidum. These enhance gut health and immunity. Yeast in kefir and kumis. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. They produce small amount of alcohol, carbon dioxide, characteristic flavor. Production process of fermented milk. Selection of raw milk. Fresh cow or buffalo milk are used, free from antibiotic and contaminants. Good microbial quality. Normal acidity pH approximately 6.6. Standardization. Adjust fat content 1 to 6 percentage. Adjust solid not fat to improve thickness. Milk powder may be added to increase protein content. Homogenization, temperature 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, pressure 50 to 25 MPa. Purpose, break fat globules, prevent cream separation, improve smooth texture, enhance viscosity. Pasteurization, typically heat treatment 85 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or 90 to 95 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. Purpose, destroy pathogens, reduce spoilage organism, denature whey protein, improve water holding capacity, strengthen gel formation. Cooling, cool to incubation temperature 30 degrees Celsius for mesophilic culture, 42 to 45 degrees Celsius for thermophilic culture. Inoculation, add 1 to 3% starter culture, mix thoroughly, maintain hygienic condition. Starter culture may be single strain and mixed strain. Fermentation, time 4 to 12 hours, temperature based on culture type, lactose to lactic acid, pH decrease from 6.6 to 4.5, 4.2 to 4.6. Casein coagulates forming gel. Cooling, rapid cooling to 4 to 5 degrees Celsius, stop fermentation, stabilize texture, maintain viable microorganism. Packaging and storage, filled into sterile cup or bottle, stored at refrigeration temperature, shelf life 1 to 3 weeks. Nutritional benefit of nutrition and health benefit of fermented milk: easily digestible, improve gut microbiota, suitable for lactose intolerance individual, good source of protein and calcium, may boost immunity, may reduce gastrointestinal infection. Thank you.